Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Bunch. This is Abhinav and today we are benchmarking the new Asus Zenfone 5 which comes with a 1.2 GHz dual-core Intel Atom Z2520 processor, keeping the other specs same at a lower price of ₹7,999. Now this runs on Android 4.4 KitKat, comes with a 5-inch HD display. You can see it's powered by the 1.2 GHz dual-core processor with HD enabled, PowerVR SGX 544MP graphics. You have 2 GB of RAM available on the device as well. You have the 8 megapixel primary camera and you also have 2 megapixel front camera, same as the original Zenfone 5. A 2110 mAh battery is also there which is inbuilt, and you do have proximity and light sensors here. Now let's start with the benchmarks. The first one we are running is Antutu. We have fast forwarded all the benchmarks to get to the results quickly. The scores have loaded up and we got a good score of 18011, which is not that lower than the original Zenfone 5 which came with the 1.6 GHz Intel Atom processor. So you can expect good performance from this smartphone as well. Now we are running Nina Mark II. It's a graphics benchmark. Will give us an FPS score. And we got 60.5 FPS, which means high-end games should be playable on this device. And it's one of the higher scores that we have got in this particular price bracket, especially in the graphics benchmark. Now we are running the quadrant benchmark. We are running the full benchmark here. It's been fast forwarded as well. So we got a score of 6989, which is definitely not topping the charts, but it's a good score, especially when you factor in the MediaTek offerings that are available within this price bracket. Now we are running the Velamo HTML5 chapter to test the browser. It will run SunSpider, Octane and several other benchmarks to test the browser capabilities. And we got a decent score of 1355. Now we expected a bit more, but we would have to test this phone in real world usage, how it actually performs in web browsing. We'll be back with that in our full review. Now we are running the Metal chapter of Velamo, specifically test the processing capabilities of the phone. And we got a score of 592, which is similar to the Zenfone 4 rather than the Zenfone 5, which actually got a much higher 780 score. Now we are running the Linpack benchmark. And we got a score of 172.16, which is pretty decent for this chipset. And all throughout we have seen decent performance in benchmarks. But you have to remember this phone comes with 2 GB of RAM, which will be infinitely helpful in gaming and other tasks. Now I have 10 fingers on the display, all are detected. It's a 10-point multi-touch display here as well. Let's check USB OTG. Zenfone 4, which uses the same chipset, did support USB OTG. And you can see right here as well, the USB OTG drive has been detected. You can unmount it from right here as well. Let's get into USB storage first. So you can see right there, you have all your files folders available here. I'll just play a 1080p video so that you can see its playback as well. So here's our 1080p video playback. The playback is smooth here. Colors look good. There's no ghosting or freezing while playing 1080p videos. Well folks, that was our benchmarks, USB OTG support as well as score comparison of the new Asus Zenfone 5 which comes with Intel Z2520 dual-core processor. Now you have several options available in this price segment like the U Eureka which costs $1,000 more, or the new Lenovo A6000 which costs $1,000 less. So there's a great deal of choice. This phone too performs quite well, but you have to see real world usage as well. We'll be back with more on the new Asus Zenfone 5. Till then you can watch its unboxing from right here, as well as the benchmarks of the original Zenfone 5. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let us in the comment section. And as always, have a great day.